Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we will see how we can convert the string type into date type using date filter in Logstash. So let's begin our session. What things I used to create the demo application? I have used CSV file, filebeat software, Logstash software, Elasticsearch software, Kibana software. What is the data flow in the demo application? This is the data flow. We have one CSV file which is being read by filebeat sending the data to Logstash. Logstash will apply the date filter and it will send the data to Elasticsearch, and Kibana will load the data from Elasticsearch to visualize this. In Kibana, we will also see how to verify the string to date conversion. First, let's see the CSV file. So this is the CSV file we are using for this demo. Here you can see the published date. So this is the field where our string to date conversion will apply. Right now it is the string. Let's start our these softwares: filebeat, Logstash, Elasticsearch, and Kibana. Second is the filebeat. So this is the filebeat configuration we are using from our previous session. Here we are mentioning the path of the CSV since we are reading the data from CSV. We want to study more on how to get the data from CSV using the filebeat. I have already created a videos on it. You can go through that to understand more. So you can see how this is the video. Send CSV data to Elasticsearch in real time, or how to use the CSV filter. Also CSV filter in Logstash. So these are the two videos. Please go through in order to understand how the filebeat get the data from CSV. We are going to start the filebeat. First we need to launch the filebeat in the command prompt, and we need to run this command. Here filebeat.txt and the name of the this. So let's press enter. By the time filebeat is up and running, let's start the Logstash. So this is the Logstash configuration file, and this is the input we are getting from the filebeat. In the filter, this filter is for the CSV configuration, which we will not focus much because I already explained in my previous video. So here the publish date and mutate. This is optional, you can use or not, that's up to you. This is the date filter. This is the important point of discussion in this session. This is called the date filter. How to use? You need to write the keyword, curly braces, opening, closing, then match. So you need to give the name of the field on which you want to apply this date filter. So we want to apply on the published date field. So here you need to mention that name, field name. Then you need to mention the date format in which date is present in the CSV file. So this is the date format. So this is our date, and this is the date, month and year, then hour, minute and second. So here date, month, hour, minute, second, and you can mention more than one date form. Suppose your field, this field is dynamic. Sometime it is getting date in this format, sometime it is getting in a different format. So that format you can also mention here. The comma separation. We are having this. This is the date. So this pattern would be applied. Date filter is part of the filter. So this is for the CSV, this is for the mutate, this is optional, and this is the date. So this is the date filter. Here the match and the target. So in after the conversion, in which field you want to save the data? I want to save in the same field, in this field only. And this is the output. So Logstash will send the data to Elasticsearch as well as to the console. Now let's start our Logstash software. So first you need to launch the Logstash, bin path of Logstash. So this is the bin path, and you need to run the Logstash command, which I already, this is the Logstash command. I will also put in the GitHub and will share the link. So here the logstash.bat and the name of the configuration. This is the name of the configuration. Press the enter. By the time Logstash are up and running, let's start our Elasticsearch. So to start the Elasticsearch, you need to launch the bin path of your Elasticsearch and you need to run the elasticsearch.bat command. So let's wait for the Elasticsearch to be up and running. Now let's start the last software. This is the Kibana. To so I have launched the Kibana bin path of the Kibana, and you need to run the kibana.bat. Let's wait for the software to be up and running. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes. All four softwares are up and running now. Let me open the Kibana. So it is running on 5601. You need to go to the management. You need to go to the management, index management. Here you will see your index name. So what is the index name? Go to the Logstash configuration file. You will see the demo date. So this is the index name which would be created in the Elasticsearch, and Kibana will show that. So right now it is not present, means data has not been indexed yet. Let me update the data. Yeah, so you can see here. This is the Logstash console. So what we discussed in Logstash configuration, we have mentioned the Elasticsearch and standard output in the output component. Means Logstash will send the data to Elasticsearch as well as print the data on the console. So let's see the console. You can see Logstash has received the data from filebeat and it has printed here, and it has also sent it to the Elasticsearch. We will see that also. Here you can see what we are seeing, published date. This is the field on which we applied the date filter. Yeah, you can see this is the date type, means the conversion from string to date is successful. So now let's see the Kibana. So let's refresh the index. Yeah, you can see the demo date. Index created means Elasticsearch received the data from Logstash. So how to check if the string to date conversion is successful or not? So you need to click on the index, and in the mapping, go to the mapping and search your field name, published date. Yeah, so you can see this is the published date field and the type is date, means the conversion from string to date is successful. So now this field, published date field, can be used as a time field where you can apply the query related to date or time, or also the sorting related to date and time, which is very much useful in your log monitoring. So just keep in mind, we have used the CSV for this demo purpose. You can also do the same thing with the log data. Let me show how it was looking before the conversion. So I have already saved the screenshot here. Yeah, you can see before applying the date filter, it was like this. Published date, type is text, because by default Logstash consider every field as a string and Elasticsearch will take as a text. That's why it is showing as a text. After using the date filter, we are seeing this as a type date. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.